Hi, this is Calais with Calais Customs Creations, and I have a Facebook group called The Peachy Pig. You can also find me on Instagram under The Peachy Pig. Okay, so now our paint has dried overnight. So this is what my paper toweling effect looks like the next day. So if you can tell, it kind of looks like I just blended the two colors together. Just not as much work. So now what we're going to do is we're going to wax. So we're going to take DIY white wax right here, and we're going to put it on. You can see how, look at how creamy that is. It's just really super soft, like melted butter. So now we're going to take this wax and we're just going to cover the piece of furniture really good with this wax. So now our next thing is I'm going to take some clear wax. You can see where I've already mixed some up at one point. So take the clear wax and I'm going to mix it with mint chip. So I'm just going to take a little bit like this, put it in my bowl, and add some DIY mint chip. Just enough to get that wax colored. I already have a little bit in here from doing the other side. And I don't like to mix too much up because what if I have to walk away? But if you do have to walk away, I just put wet paper. I put wet paper towels or wipes, and I add more water. Put that on here, and then I put another plate over the top of it, and that keeps it nice and smooth for the next day. All right, so now I'm going to take the same wax brush, and I'm going to take this yummy deliciousness right there, and I'm going to put it on my brush, and I'm just going to add some strokes in here, just giving it some highlight with this mint chip. The mint chip is still on that same color scheme as the Farm Fresh. It's just a lot lighter and brighter. So we're just adding, you can see how it just gives a little bit more dimension. The fun stuff always happens with the wax. But wax is boring if you don't have a beautiful blend of colors underneath. You don't have as much to work with. So, got this mint chip on here, and that's literally all I'm gonna do. Just added that little bit. Maybe let me put a little bit right here where we had that other wax. And then from here, I'm just gonna let it sit for a little bit, and I might come back, I don't know yet, but I might take a baby wipe and kind of wet distress the edges, because this has some nice curves. I might want to bring it out with a little bit of the wood grain showing. So that is how you can make your own wax and do a unique finish. And you guys got to see a special technique that I've developed on my own by making a mistake and spilling a bucket of water and paint mixture. Paper towels or white t-shirts, that's all you need to give yourself a nice blended distressed look. So thanks for watching, and once again, I'm Calais with Clay's Customs Creations in Bakersfield, California. I also have a Facebook group called The Peachy Pig. Head on over there, join that. If you guys ever have any questions, let me know. But all my affiliate links will be in the comments below, so feel free to check them out. And thanks for watching. Hey, I thought I'd let you guys see kind of what the front looked like. So here's a little bit. Hope you like it. Now here's some of the bloopers of things that I deal with on a daily basis when I try to paint. Dogs in my lap, My Great Dane, she's pretty good. She just sits there, Josie. She just sits and chills and watches. However, Duke, my husband's dog, he wants a little bit more attention. He wants to help me work. But this is what I deal with all day long. Now, I could put them away, but what fun is that? I don't feel like keeping him in a kennel all the time, so I'll let him out. Always makes for an entertaining video.